Yes, Babaji stop embarrassing me now. It's so lovely to see so many of you here. It's like coming home and having like I don't know, just the whole city in your house. And I had a quick look upstairs. It's wonderful that the work is so hands-on, and all of you are actually getting your hands dirty. This little trooper over here has got paint all over him, and it's very moving that there's a personal involvement from all of you. The computer room is especially fancy. I'm afraid that the students will only want to do computer studies now. Spend too much time on YouTube, researching bad things. Want to start? Yes, Varsha, I know. I have a 9-year-old brother, and he recently found a YouTube video saying Santa is Satan. So, the kind of things kids are watching on YouTube these days is scary. But really, I don't really have much to say. I just, I just love the way that this place is transforming. I love that there's so many people involved, so much energy, and thank you so much. And I'm glad to be here today.
Thank you, Prabhas. 54 awards for Marguerite. Once again, heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you.
Babaji, can we just have the beneficiaries on the stage? Sunita, Malka, Shobha, can you please help in getting the beneficiaries up on the stage, please? Have we covered it all?
You want to go back?
अच्छा, who's clicking on behalf of Anna? Right, say left. Right, left. Right. They never send the photograph.
Ma'am, hold here.
Ma'am, can you look your phone? Thank you. Everybody, please hold your Kalki with the kids.
Okay. Kalki center. पे कल की यहाँ पे। थैंक यू थैंक यू। हेलो
Come, Kalki.
It's called, what's today's called? Global? ADAPT stands for All Disabled and Able People Together, and it's a place where I got to know very well because I was preparing for Margarita with a Straw, and Malini, who was the inspiration for the character that I played, is from here. And so yeah, this was kind of home for a good 6 months, and then I kept coming back. I'm very closely associated with this place, but today is a special day. It's Global Community Day, and basically we have Citibank, who has come in huge numbers, I think about 500 people, Citibank volunteers who have literally got their hands dirty. They're painting, they're gardening, they're fixing the roofs, they're fixing everything in this place. It's a huge transformation. We've got this very fancy computer room upstairs with AC, which I'm afraid the students are just gonna spend all their time on computer studies and not do anything else. But it's really, really encouraging to see so many people personally involved. It's not just a check that's being given to ADAPT. It's people actually putting their sweat and time and love into a place. So it's really nice. Well, this happened through work. I was working on a character that had cerebral palsy, and then that's how I discovered this place. And I think disability is very invisible in our country. We don't see it very often. The infrastructure is not really equipped for disabled people, so it's very hard for them to get jobs. It's hard for them to be out there. Inclusion in schools is still a very new concept. We don't have that many disabled people in normal schools, so I feel all of this, there's a lot to do, and I'm glad that I've been part of this world. They've given me a lot. Thank you.
Please, one photo.
Come, everyone.
Yeah, done.
ये विप्रो
सब क्रॉप